Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent Jewels of America subscription box for July. And this month it's North Dakota. And the scent is Wild Prairie. It is pretty fragrant. I can already smell it. It smells pretty good, even though it does have kind of a floral type scent. So we have, oh, a broken candle. I see some glass. Oh yeah, I just turned it over and I felt it all move. Okay, so normally how this works is you get an extra product. I don't see that. I see a piece of jewelry. And normally that extra product is kind of like what pads it. So I guess that's what happened. It broke because there wasn't any padding. But let's go ahead and I'll have to take a picture probably and send that to them, and then they'll replace it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my sticker for North Dakota. You get one every month and you get to put it on a little map here, which I really like. And then in the past, the extra item has been like bath bombs or body cream, and this time it looks like it's a necklace, and it's a big butterfly with smaller colored butterflies. Kind of interesting looking. It's adjustable. Doesn't have a code or anything with it, so I don't know how much it's worth. But that's what came alongside of it. I don't really like that. I'd rather have an extra product than a piece of jewelry. Let's see how broken it is. Oh, it's broken. And when you call customer service, they don't want you digging the ring out, but it's right there, so I'm going to anyways. Probably could melt down the wax if you're careful. Maybe make some wax tarts. This is pretty messy though. I don't think I'm going to mess with that necessarily. But let's at least get the ring out. I've only ever gotten one broken item that I could remember from JewelScent, and they were really nice about it. They replaced it. I had to send in a picture. But that's about it. This feels huge too. Look at that. So I have no doubt that they'll replace it. But it always surprises me whenever companies package stuff like that. Like, I could have told you that would have broke. And there's nothing padded in there, and there's a huge gap where it can fly around in the box. So. Oh my god, this is huge. I could tell I don't like it already. So it's going to be a $40 ring because that's the minimum you're going to get. Ugh, it's like see-through. That's interesting. Super heavy. I'm going to go ahead and clean up and I will show you the ring. So here's a closer view of the ring. You see how it's cut through. It's just really gaudy. I have been getting a lot of bulky rings. I mean, look at that. I hate that. Do not like bulky rings. It's just too huge. But maybe they'll make some changes. I can't be the only one that dislikes that. But that's what came in my July subscription unboxing. If you guys are interested in watching more, I have a whole playlist and I'll leave that information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.